And yeah, we're back again. It's me and the Mank. We're back on our, well, don't know whether it's our favourite mark, is it, Steve?
No.
Is it? It's a mark. And just in case you don't know, it's the 1 o'clock gun again. I know we were here a couple of weeks back, but it's coming up to the end of the Flatty Bash. And we're trying to get on the board.
Yep,
Pair of us.
we
need
monsters.
to. Yeah, we need to. But yeah, we'll keep you going. And what I'll do now, I'll show you what gear we're on. Okay, is on his Coyote. There is Akios Coyote with a Shimano Ultegra 14,000 on there. And you're fishing 2-up flapper, 3-hook.
3-up Wessex.
A 3-up Wessex rig, okay. And then I'm on a Portsmouth loop rig today using the Any Fish Anywhere Tournament Match Mark 1. Oh no, it might be a Mark 2 actually, and the Yuki Star Surf there. So that's what we're up to, and as you can see, we're right in front of Liverpool and the ferry terminal again. The joys of it. Still down here at the gun, and the Mank has gone and done it already. Nice little dab. Not getting on the Flatty Bash scoreboard, I don't think, with that, but it's still a nice little dab, so it shows there's actually fish here. You know, I'm just getting a second rod set up now. I'm going for the Foozer, Blackrock Foozer, and I've got me Timu Special. So got my Timu Special there, and I've got the Blackrock Foozer ready to go. So I'm just about to set that up now. I'm going to put that on a little scratching rig, and then on my other rod, on the Any Fish Anywhere, I'll have no, I now have a I've got a pulley panel on with a whole sardine at the moment, see if there's any dogs around, anything to stop me blanking. Alright, have a good one.
Guys, at the gun, Des with a nice dogfish.
Hey. And it wasn't even on my dogfish baits. It was on my little scratching rig, but he took a nice fat ragworm, and it's welcome not to blank. So there's a dog for me. And
a big yarn off the fin.
I know, yeah. I think he's about to puke on me as well,
yeah.
Which sounds about right. But yeah, we'll get this back and we'll go again and see what's going on. Well, it's now before. I've just had a dog, which I'm sure will be in the video somewhere. Not really the best, but it's a dog in it, you know, it's safe to blank. I've still got the 2 rods out, one with the bluey squid wrap and one on rag on the Portsmouth loop rig. And it was the rag rig, the loop rig, that did it for the dog, so the dog baits aren't working, but they're taking everything, as dogs do. There you go, and Steve's in. Hopefully his first dog of the day. It's just dropped off. Oh my word. He's gutted. He is gutted. Look at his little face. Look at his little face. There we go, another dog. Yeah, it is turning into a bit of a dog fest. And it is taking all, they are taking all the flatty baits. Which, it's a bit annoying, but yeah, and there's Steve doing his little dog impression in the background as well. Yeah, I was just wrapping up another bait there to go out on the big rod, and then my scratching rod went off again. Another dog, let's keep going. Another couple, it was a double header of dogs. That one actually needed the drop net. Not bad, both on rag again. They seem to be loving the ragworm today. That one's trying to bite me. So,
get it
it's
back
going
quick.
for me. It's having a good go, but it's not going to. But there you go, a double header of dogs. That's 5 for the day now, isn't it?
Well done, yeah.
That's alright, that. Yeah, so there we go. Another dog. Number 6 for the day now. That one was on bluey tail. So yeah, we're not having a bad day now. Steve's just... Whoa, there you go. That's what the dog's eating as well. That pin whiting's just been thrown out of its mouth, and that crab as well. So they're munching away on the whiting, and there's crabs. And he's gone. Right, that's it guys. We've finished down at the gun. I finished with 7 dogs. Nothing for the flatty bash this year. Oops, I need to start concentrating on fishing for flatties. Stay had a dab, and you dropped a couple as well, didn't you?
2 doggies, yeah.
Yeah, so all in all a good day. Great day with great company.
Yep, as always.
And yeah, we'll see you. Stay safe, tight lines.